everyone, and today I just decided to make a cooking video on how to make pancakes. I'm not a cooking channel, mostly a gaming channel, but I make good pancakes. Oh, stupid butter. You need all of these. So I have some milk, I have self-raising flour, I have an empty bottle of water, empty, and I have some butter, and I have a funnel for my water bottle. And of course, eggs. So first we need to get our bottle of water empty. How refreshing. Oh my gosh, man. So now we open up the water bottle. We're gonna put our funnel in the water bottle, and we will start by putting in the milk. Depends how dense you want your pancakes. Now we need to get our water 20% off. We need to melt it, heat it up, and pour it in there. Here's the microwave. Yes, I know, it's like a trip back in time to the 1960s. And yeah, we can put like, I don't know, 2 teaspoons. Again, it depends on how you like it. I like it buttery. And we will wait for it to melt. Okay, it's done, I think. Yep, whoa. Yep, that's hot and melted. Oh, that sparked. Don't get any of it on your hands or you will get burnt to a crisp. And we pour that into the bottle. Very nice. Okay, so we get 3 eggs, 2 eggs, I don't know. Again, depends on how you like it. If you like it more brownish, you put more eggs. Oh, that's so cool. And one more. Come on. Have better luck this time. That's nice. So now it is very important to wash your hands. So follow me into the bathroom. So now we need to add the flour and it's closed. So let's see if this works. There, like fill it all up. Now we slowly. Actually, I think I should just. Well, that took way too long. But now we have the fun bit. You just close it and, ooh, that's pretty cool. But, oh yeah, also you might want to heat up the thingy. And also make sure not to leave the hot plate like this. Always make sure there's a thing on top of it. So now we just shake. So, that's hot enough. Okay, smells horrible. Okay, well, it's a bit too watery, so I guess we should just add more flour. Well, Oh, there goes the last of it. Now it's just time to shake it. Hey, that's a bit too little viscous, but it's acceptable. It's fine. So this is how a good consistency should sound like. That is nice and viscous. Perfect. To know when to flip it over, you can see it bubbling over there, which means it's ready to flip over. Maybe a bit too much, but nice. Isn't that beautiful? So as soon as it starts bubbling, flip it over. Okay, and now since it's flipped over, you only need to leave it for, I don't know, 30 seconds. Because when it was not flipped over, it did most of the work. I think it's time to get serving. So, yeah, that's, just don't look at it. There, perfect. So now we're gonna cook the rest. And the final flip. And finito. Now all we need to do is drizzle the last bit of honey. And I don't know, some people decide, I don't know why, it's disgusting, but some people put butter on the top of it. Beautiful. Oi, where do you think you're going? And I guess now it's time, for me to taste it. Who cares? I do. Tastes very average. Great. It's great. It's averagely great. It's good.